Hello guys, welcome to ChatGPT Experiments, my channel where I am trying different experiments with ChatGPT. So let us see how today we can use ChatGPT to use it like a personal coding tutor. So let's go to ChatGPT. I hope you guys are having good day. Okay. Suppose you want to learn language like Python language. So you can just do like this. Okay. So it is giving some basic overview of like and how you can start with it. Like you can familiarize with yourself with basics. The general usual advice we get to learn any languages. Mhm. Nice, nice. Okay. Now you want to get into something specific like okay, teach me s- apps, teach me fundamentals of Python. Chat GPT, you can learn anything. Like you can make it as your personal teacher. It will be your personal tutor. Seeds giving. Okay, there is something called syntax variable. I am also total newbie to programming, but I'm using it. I have almost built one hiring app. You can see here somewhere. I will show hiring app using ChatGPT without any coding experience. I'm trying to build it. Okay. Mhm. Now you see, if you are very new to programming, all these things might look uh, like very difficult or new. So what you can do is like explain. What you can do this. See, even if you are coming from a non-tech background, you can. It's best time to learn programming. hmm It is explaining in a very simple language that you can understand. And even if this is the first time you are trying to learn code, then you can do it. Now, guys, the most important part with learning with code is that you have to put some code into practice. Otherwise, okay, maybe there is some network error. Okay, okay. Mhm. Yeah, yes, cool. Good thing about ChatGPT is it's like your friend. It will it will answer it. Yeah. So now you need some coding examples, right? Okay, so like give me programs on Python code and explain solution. See, here comes the magical part. Okay. Now, if you are familiar with each individual line of code, it is okay. Otherwise, you can request it to explain it further. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. not only writes the code, but it also gives you a good explanation for that. And what you can do is like you can press here copy code and run on uh, some IDE to just test your program. Another good thing is that you can also debug on using ChatGPT. So let us do one thing. Suppose you don't even know even like uh, what each line of code means. You can tell like explain line of code in all programs. Line by line explanation. I think no teacher in this world can do this. Only ChatGPT can do this type of thing. See. So each line you can understand. One other good thing about ChatGPT is that it never gets angry on you. If you even ask dumb questions, also it's going to give answers. So you can just have lot of fun with it while learning. Literally, I think this is the best time to learn programming. Okay. See, even if you're this is the even if this is the first time you are seeing you're learning about Python, you can get a lot of information. Not only that, you can have hands-on experience. You can copy this code and run somewhere. I'll show you in couple of minutes how to do that. Okay, guys. Let's stop it. Otherwise, it's going to go in much more detail. Mhm. See, you can do a lot of things over here. You can just copy code and like go on some online Python compiler. Okay, and you can just copy the code and run. It can give you real hands-on practice very fast. Okay, run. You're getting the output here, right? Or you can take like suppose this is let us go to some interesting program. Mhm. Okay, adding two numbers. Let us take this code and take it here. Initially, to practice, you don't even have to install Python or something like that. You can just take an online, just you can run it. So enter a number because for adding we need two numbers, right? Three, another number four. Here it is. So it is cool, guys. I'll just run one more and just finding maximum of three numbers. Let's do this. You see, you're getting real hands-on experience instead of like taking very costly training programs. You can try this. It will be much more helpful to you. Or maybe some syntax error is there. Okay, this should not be there. Okay, okay. Enter the first number. One. Okay, the second maybe two. Let's put it at five. Largest is five, so it has calculated. So, and one more thing is the quality of code. It gives accurate code, like it is not like something. Okay, and suppose I will show you one example like how it can help you debug also. Suppose you have something like this. You put here and you run this code, and what happens is that you got in a invalid syntax. Now, what you can do is you can just copy like this one. You can just copy it and put it here and just see like let us see what ChatGPT does. If you do this and see, You see, it is providing a corrected version. Like I don't know anyone can do this in world right now like this. How it is doing? We just take the corrected version. We can run it. And one more important thing while you are learning these languages is like you need to revise also. So what like help me revise all that I have learned. Now. Some people struggle with writing notes, so you can use this. It's you can just think it like a private tutor who's totally free of cost, available 24 hours with you, more knowledgeable than any private tutor in the world. It can help you do a lot of things, guys. You need to really like if you are even trying to start learning coding, this is the best time, and it is the most easiest time to learn code. Okay, so it will keep on generating. That's it. And suppose I want to go in little bit depth, explain like, okay, I want to do a project. Give me on a project on Python with code and explain it. It's like ordering in a restaurant. Password generator is it tool? Okay, it will put the whole code. hmm Like before I used to learn coding, I used to think like, okay, it is like very difficult and all, but this makes like very easy. All you need is like you need some basic communication skills to learn anything with ChatGPT. Okay, it is explaining each and everything. What happens is like if you do this for a couple of projects, these concepts also gets repeated and that gets fixed in your mind. Okay, let us see. Let us copy this code and see if it can run here. Okay, what the hell is this man? Program is running. Okay, okay. Interesting. Okay, I ran this program. I have to just copy. Let us enter first these three numbers. The last program, guys. We need to. Okay, it's finished. Now I can just go and run it. See, enter the length of password. Oh, suppose I enter the length 5. It generated as a password, right? It's so simple. Like just like 20-25 minutes before, I knew nothing about Python, and now I am writing some real application type code. So this is game changer, guys. Chat GPT is like, I think it will accelerate the fastest technology revolution in human history. Okay, guys, so I will meet you in the next episode of experiments with ChatGPT. I will show you like tons of different ways ChatGPT can be used. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Hey, my name is, by the way, my name is Abrar. Okay, thanks guys.